Hey there. So I had this question come up twice in the last 24 hours. And that is, hey, I'm drinking alcohol and my blood sugar is good. So does that mean I can just, drink alcohol as much as I want? And much as I would love to tell you that that is the case, what actually is going on is very, very true. Wine and definitely anything that's distilled, like your vodkas, your gins, your tequilas, probably won't spike your blood sugar that much. However, so I can see how it's confusing that it looks like it's good or within range. But what happens is when alcohol travels to the liver has to break alcohol down before it can break anything else down. So they call alcohol, there's a name for it, it's called like primary toxin or something like that. But the liver has to break that down before it can do anything else. So before it can break fat down, it has to break the alcohol down. So, I talk about lipolysis like a lot. And lipolysis is the breakdown of fat, which is obviously what we want. Well, lipolysis is slowed by about 75% when you're drinking alcohol. So it's not that your blood sugar spikes or doesn't spike. It's more that if alcohol is traveling to the liver has to break that down, and it cannot really break fat down. As an example, it's like 2 shots of vodka will slow lipolysis by 75% for 4 hours. If you don't take that as written in stone, but that gives you an idea. You're not breaking any fat down when you're drinking alcohol. And the other thing to know about the liver is it breaks alcohol down at a steady rate. So if you're drinking more, it's not like the liver speeds up. The liver will break it down at a steady rate. So if you actually put a lot of drinks in you, then it might take the liver, 12, 16 hours or whatever, or maybe longer. I don't know. Depends on how much you drank. But it will take your liver a long time to break all that down. And in the interim, it can't break your fat down. So not going to take any cocktails away from you. Believe me, please don't drink the sugary stuff that really does spike your blood sugar. But even the stuff that looks like it's pretty good, just know that, definitely partake now and again. But if you do that in an abundance, then your liver can't help you break down fat.